everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious, mouth-watering white chicken recipe. This is so tasty and so easy to make. Everyone will love it. In order to make a white chicken curry, I'm going to use boneless, skinless chicken breast. This is a 1 pound, cut into smaller pieces. 2 tablespoons homemade dahi, 3 ghee paste, 1 teaspoon ginger, garlic, green chili. I have video posted on my channel. 1/4 cup organic raw cashews. 1 teaspoon biryani masala. I have a video posted on my channel. Please check it out. 1/2 teaspoon salt, and it's always to taste. 1/2 teaspoon, I'll be using white pepper. This is fine powder, and 1 teaspoon cilantro. 1 onion, 2 green chili. Green chili I will use with the onion, will make it smooth paste, and 1 green chili we're going to use with chicken. And then we're going to use olive oil for tadka and heavy whipping cream as needed. And let's start making our delicious white chicken curry. First thing, we're going to marinate the chicken. Add white pepper, salt, add dahi. Mix it well. So once it's nicely combined, the marinated chicken, we're going to put it in the fridge for 20 minutes. I'm going to use a Ninja blender. Put the cashews inside. Add whipping cream. We're going to close it. So we're going to turn it on. It's all done. It doesn't take that long. So we have a nice smooth cashew paste. So this is our smooth cashew paste. As you see, this is our nice creamy cashew paste. And I'm going to use the same jar, and I'll add onion and green chili. So green chili and onion. It won't take that long. This is how it looks, the onion and green chili. Nice smooth paste. Let's start making our delicious white chicken curry. Start burner. Get a fry pan. Add olive oil. 2 teaspoons olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. As the oil start to heat up, add ginger, garlic, green chili paste. Mix it. We're going to cook for like 10 seconds. We just want that raw garlicky flavor to go with. You don't want to overcook. This is good. Add onion and green chili. Mix it well. Cook onion only for 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook it. Cooking onion for 2 minutes. This is all we need. We don't need to burn onion. We just need that bitterness flavor to go away. This is good. I'll add marinated chicken. So mix it well. And now we're going to cook it until the chicken is fully cooked. So once it's nicely combined, now bring the gas to medium, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to stir it once. It's exactly 5 minutes. I'm going to open it. After 3 minutes, I opened it and I stirred it once. Mix it. Boneless chicken breast don't take that long to cook. Within 5 minutes, the chicken is fully cooked. If you see, it breaks nicely. Now I'll add the cashew paste. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now add the biryani masala. This masala has everything. I have a posted video on my channel, so please check it out. So mix it well. So once it's nicely combined, now bring your gas to low. Cover with the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. 2 minutes on a simmer. I'll open it. Mix it. Now we're going to add heavy whipping cream. If you really want to make it Shahi gravy, then you can add the whole cup. I added 3/4 cup. Half cup now, and 1/4 cup I added with the cashews. So mix it well. This is very delicious white chicken curry. And this one doesn't take that long to cook. So once it's nicely combined, I'll add cilantro and green chili. Mix it well. Spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Cooking for 3 minutes on simmer, our dish is all ready, and I'm going to take it out. Very delicious recipe. It's all ready. White chicken curry. This is so rich and so creamy and so delicious. Turn off your gas. I will dish out. I have my serving karai ready, and I will dish out. Very tasty, delicious recipe. Let me share with you. Very tasty and delicious white chicken curry, or you can call it white chicken korma, is all ready. Please try it. It's very rich Shahi chicken. Serve with roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha, even puris, and best of all with rice flour. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.